Hey guys, so after my last video, after my video on dollar arbitrage, a lot of you guys have asked and said, Gerald, how do I get money into my Payoneer account? Now, there are actually three ways to do this. One is to receive payments from freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, 99 Designs, and sell things online from all those online companies that support Payoneer. Right? That's one way to do it. Now, the second way is to actually buy Payoneer funds from people that have these funds, and you can easily send money from one Payoneer account to another one for free, right, using just your Payoneer email. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that in today's video. Now, the third way is how to receive payments from anybody anywhere in the world, right? So you basically send a payment request and the person pays you with their card, right? I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that in today's video, like step by step. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald. I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, and the whole idea is that we can all win together, guys. So that's it. Let's go to my screen right now and let me show you guys exactly how to receive payments from anybody anywhere in the world using your Payoneer account. And guess what, this person doesn't even have to have a Payoneer account to be able to pay you with Payoneer, guys. Let's go.
So the first way to do this, if you want to send some money to somebody on Payoneer, what you need to do is to just come here where it says pay and go to make a payment, right? That's the first. So if you're buying fund from somebody, Payoneer fund from somebody, this is exactly how the person is going to send it to you. You're going to give this person your Payoneer email address. And when you come to this place where it says to a recipient Payoneer account, this is free, completely free, right? I'm going to click here and okay, it's loading. I'm going to give it a while. Okay, it's done, right? I'm going to put in the person's email address right here. In this case, I'm sending Payoneer funds to you, right? So I'm going to be putting your email address here. Let's say I'm sending Payoneer funds to so I put in this email here and go to next, right? So it shows me the details that I want to send money to this person, to this email address. So from your Payoneer account balance, okay, I want to send from let's say my euro balance, right? I have 1,239 euros in this account. So the least you can send is 50 euros. So let's say I want to send 50 euros to this person. Then I say purpose of payment. Now, the reason why you're sending this payment, please keep this simple. People make a lot of mistakes with this, right? So just say something like writing, website design, content writing, social media management, simple things like that that Payoneer can understand during their review process. Let's say I'm sending this because of content writing or article writing or something. Then I click review. This is the point where you actually check everything, right? Everything is fine. Then click on I confirm the payment details above and click on pay, right? And this money is going to go to this person's a Payoneer account. It's that simple, right? But assuming you want to get paid, you want to receive payment from somebody who does not have a Payoneer account, what do you do? Now, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So come here to receive, and go to request a payment. Now, guys, while this is loading, it's important for you to smash the like button on this video. If you're getting any value, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop videos like this, YouTube is going to send you a notification. So to enable request a payment, you must first receive at least $5,000 or equivalent via global payment service, which enables you to receive local payments from companies worldwide, any of the marketplaces, network or business, and stuff like that. So you can, and for this account, yes, you have not received up to $5,000 from any of these, so it's not activated on this account, right? Let me show you. Let me log into my account and show you guys this. So for this is my own account right here. I'm going to come to request a payment. Go to request a payment, right? And let's say I want to request a payment from request a payment. Beautiful. Now these are people that have requested a payment from in the past, right? Request a payment. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is it. So you're gonna put in the email of the person that you're requesting a payment from. Let's say I'm requesting a payment from I don't know, um let's put this email here. Request a payment from this guy. Okay, this person has a Payoneer account. I'm looking for an email that doesn't have a Payoneer account associated to it. Let me say online hustle channel at gmail.com. Right, there's no Payoneer account on this email. Right, I go to next. So it says company or individual. This person is an individual. First name, I'm gonna put okay, because this Payoneer account belongs to me, I cannot use my name. Let me use a random name. Francie Yusuf, right? Country person's country. Let me select this. Okay, if it's in the US, whatever the person is, and go to next. Right. Currently does not support domestic payment. I select United States of America, states, let's say New York. Then I hit next, right? So description, amount that you are requesting from this person. Let's say you are requesting $100. The least is $50 actually. Currency is USD. Description, payment for content writing. Right, payment due date. This is fine. Then go to next. Right, then attach up to 5 documents like your invoice or work contract or your payment request or blah blah, and put it right here. Okay, and you can even create invoice from here also. It's been a long time I did this. You can create, okay, yeah, you can do this. Another one, create invoice, free invoice builder. Okay, beautiful. This is another one that Payoneer actually recommends. Yeah, I think I've used this one too. So invoice number, you can just select type invoice here. Just close this. Leave the sender name. You can put in your name here, the name on the account, on the Payoneer account. Just so you're gonna fill this out, put in your name and everything. The recipient's name, put in the details of the person that you are creating a new client. You know, I've used this before. That's why it's showing me that recipient name. So put in the details of the person that you are sending the invoice to right here. Then invoice number. You can select anything random, right? Select anything random. It has to be numbers. Due date, this is fine. Invoice date, this is fine. Add new item, put in the item here. Content, blog content, blog content, quantity 5, rate $20, tax 0, non-taxable, description, 5 content, 5 content rating for your blog. Right, okay, so this is done. Invoice summary and all of that. Then click on download to actually download this invoice. Download without an account, or you can actually create an account to download this invoice. And this invoice has been downloaded right here. So let's come back to Payoneer. Click here and find the new invoice that we just did with the invoice generator. This is this one right here. Right, this is uploading. Just give it a while, and it's almost done. And it's done, right? So you can just click on request a payment. Now this email, this person online hustle channel and blah 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 is gonna, okay, let me just request a payment. Just request a payment. And okay, payments of, so payment requests have been sent to Francie Yusuf and all of that. So let's go find this email and find this payment this invoice, this payment request. So this is the email from Payoneer, right? You know, to Francie Yusuf right now. So this is it right here. It comes here and it says, dear Francie Yusuf, Gerald Umeh would like to be paid through Payoneer, blah blah blah. This is details. And what Francie needs to do right now is to just click on pay. And once she clicks on pay, and then she's going to use her card, right? And put in her card information right here. And then just go to this attachment. This is the invoice, right? This is the invoice, and she can now click on pay now and actually make this payment. Let me show you guys what this interface looks like. I'm going to open this in an incognito window because I'm logged into Payoneer on my normal browser. So let me show you guys exactly what this thing looks like. I'm not going to be actually making a payment, right? Because I don't have a card and details of Francie Yusuf. That name doesn't actually exist. I just made it up. So I can just go to pay now, and this is the name, Francie Yusuf online hustle and blah blah. So Francie needs to just fill all this, and I'll put in her phone number right here and choose a password, right? Or she can change her email address and stuff and click on pay, right? And once she clicks on pay, it's going to take her to the place where she can actually pay with a MasterCard or Visa card, right? Or PCJ or whatever it is. She's going to use her card to make this payment. And once she makes this payment, this money is going to come straight into our Payoneer account, right? It's going to come straight into your Payoneer balance. So yes, you can use Payoneer to actually receive funds from anywhere in the world. You know, of course, supported countries. I don't think every country is supported, right? I don't think Nigeria is part of the supported countries, you know, for supported. So if you work for people abroad, you know, online and all of that, you can actually use Payoneer to receive your payment. And of course, you can transfer straight to your bank account or use a Grey and do dollar arbitrage, just like what I just showed you guys, right? So yeah, that's exactly how to request and receive payments into your Payoneer account from anywhere and from anybody, anywhere in the world, basically, right? So guys, until I see my next video, keep putting and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Wait for me, guys.